wonder if this is on. Darn it. Okay, folks. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. There you are. Grab yourself a cup of coffee. No worries. It has started. That's why I'm taking a few days off. Good advice from our friend Liberty Garden. Go check out his channel. I got therapy tomorrow, so everybody wish me luck on that one. The stuff in your pockets. I've been telling people for last, I don't know, can you survive with the stuff in your pockets? And recently people are like, I got an E.D.C bag. Shoot, damn it. Getting old. Oh, God, that hurt. Getting old, folks. Okay, something like this. All right. Uncle Alan can carry similar stuff in this one in my bird or hunting vest. Now, this one isn't green. It still has the same amount of pockets. And it doesn't have the shotgun shell holders. I took that out. That was stupid as hell. But like I said, it has a hood, has a back bird carrying pocket. I could use this for fishing or for hunting or anything. I wear this all the time, except I don't have it rigged up for my other stuff. And I'm loaded for bear in this thing. Now, if I ever get money, this is one of my bucket lists. I'm going to remake this Uncle Alan style. Okay, here in the U.S. Because this one, the old days, this was still made in Taiwan. Then it went to China and then to other countries and stuff. They always make them in Asian sizes, so they're tight as hell. This is a double extra large, and it fits small on me. Okay, you want to get a vest. Replace the heavy damn ass, E.D.C bag or get home bag or whatever you want to call it. I'm tired. Okay, we're talking about stuff in your pocket. Every day you walk around, Okay, that's most people in Ohio. Now, right now, it has started, the final wave. And a lot of people are like, what? I told you this 3 to 2 years ago. Or I even told people this in 2012. Everybody laughs at old Uncle Al. Well, Uncle Al's not laughing, and that's why he's sick, trying to save your stupid ass butts. All right? Crazy Joe, Captain Crazy, we can't call him that, he's our, you know what, and his crew. I told this in January what was going to happen, and it's already started. I just shake my head and go away because you'll never learn. This is why we're going to have people dropping off everywhere dead. They're already making up fake products. You know, they have curtains, boxes. It's hitting England, East Coast, not too much on the West Coast. West Coast, if we get rid of every liberal, every communist, every Democrat off the West Coast, we'll be all right. All right? But no, nobody ever listens to Uncle Al. All right? You want to die? You vote Democrat. You keep voting those same people into office. You will die next summer. Period. I'm just saving the persons who listen to me. Like Shawna Sexton on Pinterest. Okay? Stuff in your pockets. Basic survival. I have an advanced kit, but this is for people who don't get it. All right? You want a space blanket. Now, I'll show you each one of these. You want a U.S. cravat or a triangle bandage with 2 safety pins. 2 forms of fire. 4-inch blade folding knife, one-handed, that's lockable. You want a signal mirror. It could be any kind of signal mirror. It could be a mirror tile. Little piece of mirror tile. I use that all the time. Nobody can outthink Uncle Al. Even after a stroke, my IQ is still close to 190 to 200. So a lot of you people are like, And we're supposed to wear white helmets around Uncle Alan because a lot of you people can't chew bubblegum and walk. Okay, signal mirror, paracord, okay, and one Ziploc bag. Now you look at that. Sorry, Uncle Alan's handwriting is bad. I'm old, I'm tired, I don't have the technical know-how to put this up on screen, but you take a look. Okay, and now I'm going to show you what it does look like. All 7 items right in front of your face. Okay, this is easy. It's not rocket science, folks. Easy as pie. So let's open it up. This is the old school. This is what pararescue in old days in Air Force. This was an American made. This is the last one. It's about 30 years old. And it's not the Chinese foil type. This is the real thing. This is the same type that the Apollo astronauts carry. 30 years old, folks. They don't make these anymore because somebody got rid of the company. Some dickhead in New York. I can make it a lot cheaper in China and thinner and only cost me 5 cents. Okay, this is why you have inflation. Okay, this is old school. You'll never find this on eBay. This is the old heavy ply one. Space blanket. Okay, second, I buy U.S. cravats, the triangle bandage in bulk. Right here. And then I put in my own 2 large safety pins in a snack-sized bag. Why you do that, Uncle Al? Because I can reuse the bag, and the cravat I can use for a lot of things. I have a loose one right here. This is a standard U.S. cravat. You could use it as a headgear, you could use it as a mask, you could use it as a bandage, filter, hundreds of different things. And I did a video on this, and I'll show you how to make a weapon out of it too. 3 kinds of weapons. But Uncle Alan's old and we don't have much time. You don't. I have plenty of time. Okay, 2 forms of fire. Duh, simple. You have a ferro rod. You have a striker. Okay, striker. You have some kind of fire making tool like a tinder wick. Okay, easy. And then you have the secondary form of fire, which is easy. A pick lighter with electrical tape wrapped around it. That's your fire starter. You cut off a 2-inch piece off the roll right here. This is about 3 feet. And you put it on your little thing and you light it up with a big fire. Instant fire. Not hard, not rocket science. Lord, tell you. Okay, next we're going to, number 4, is some kind of locking blade. Now this one I chose a clip because it fits better in the bag. Alright, 3.4-inch blade. I have to resharpen it a bit, it's a bit dull, but like I said, if you want serrated edges on the bottom, that means you're going to cut rope. I prefer a single edge, so when I have to stick it in somebody's ribs, it won't snag on the serrated edge on clothing. Or if I have to cut throats, this is a lot easier. This is like a shabada, the Scottish little black knife. Okay, this is a tool. Remember, tool first, weapon second. Also used to eat steaks with this. All right. After that, I only did 1 arm length, a paracord. Usually you want 4 arm lengths of paracord. And everybody looks at me, why, Uncle? Because normally I do 5. 4 corners of a shelter made with your space blanket right here. and you have paracord. Always make 5 arm lengths. Arm length is from this arm to this arm. Okay? 4 times plus an extra one, that's your 5th. I keep telling this to people, but nobody ever listens. Okay? This is basic from Ranger School to SEALs. This is from Pararescue. A lot of survival schools. This goes back 40 years ago. They don't train everybody because it costs money. So they quit doing the classes to the regular GIs. And look the hell we got. Okay? And finally, I skipped one before paracord. There's a signal mirror. No Morse code. You get any size signal mirror. Okay? It's fairly easy. It has a little hole right here. And you can put what you call a piece of thread, ring, or whatever. And you can hang it around your neck. Alright? I use heavy string, not the thin one. But it will work. You have metal ones. You have professional ones. You have ones in leather pockets. I seen a cheap one for 99 cents. Basically, it's a piece of stainless steel polished bright with a hole in it. And another hole to loop it around your neck. Easy. Okay? The big problem with these is they don't work at night. They're mainly for daytime use and for distant signaling. Not so good for up-close signaling, and you have to know Morse code. Okay, that's the main 6 items you're supposed to have in your pockets. Now, the 7th one I always put in is the Ziploc quart bag. This will hold a small amount of water. Also, a food gathering item. Hundreds of uses in survival. But mainly, I tell people, put all your stuff into the bag. Nephews. Seal it up. Everything you get in here is under 60 bucks or less. All right. Folding knife is anywhere from $15 to $40. I always go up to about price limit 40 or 50 of a folding knife. Reason why? If I lose this or I get confiscated or it gets stolen, not a problem. If I have to go through a search thing, remove the knife, and it goes into a sheath or some kind of other protective thing. All this is cheap. I can make dozens of these, except for the knife, and put it away everywhere. Okay, in the car, in my jacket, all this stuff can be transferred out of the bag and stuffed in the pocket. This is the basic kit. All right, everybody should have something like this. Okay, a lot of people with their E.D.Cs, I carry this and my magic poo-poo, and I have this buka knife, and I got this thing, I got that thing, and okay, this weighs less than a Subway or a big Subway sandwich of 2 of the 12 inches. Same weight. Not heavy, not bulky, just the basics. No food, no medical, just the basics, what you need. You have a cutting tool. You have cordage. You have some kind of means to make fire. And you have triangle bandage. I forgot the use for that one, but I'll remember it. Okay, easy as pie, folks. And that's for Shawna Sexton in Ohio. And this is the basic kit for people living in Ohio. Okay, if you live in Ohio, everybody should have this basic kit. Hell is coming around the corner within 2 or 3 days. I don't really care. I live in the West Coast. But if you live in Ohio, hell is coming in at top speed. We're talking flooding. We're talking snow, sleet, icy hail, Captain Crazy and crew, trucker strike. What else is coming in? Oh yeah, the fourth wave. It's not the Red Dragon or Jabby Jabby. It's something else, and everybody's filling up the hospitals. Well, let's see. Today's the 26th. Everybody in Ohio is filling up their hospitals, non Red Dragon beds, but they're not even testing it, but they're dropping like flies from it. And I keep telling people it's the mutation cycle. And a lot of people look at me, but I believe in H.C. Hubble's cat, who's hiding right now in his bug out location. Duh, what do you think he left for? Okay? I warned people, it's coming. You cannot stop it. November is going to be I think they're going to cancel Thanksgiving and maybe Christmas. But Christmas is a different thing. This thing will last about 3 to 4 weeks and then it'll drop off and you won't hear about it. And then we have to worry about the fifth wave, which a lot of people don't understand. Okay? Not talking about this, not talking about anything else. I'm just warning you. People in Google and stuff, you should have one of these. Okay, even without the knife. All safe and all company regs. I read your Google regs. So all this is safe to carry in except for this thing. But you don't have to worry. This is a basic kit. And I will do an advanced kit. Let's see my notes. Advanced kit of this. Okay, it's a lot better, but it still fits in the same bag. Just a few other items. Okay, and that's about it. I'll catch you later. You have a nice day, and remember, the stuff that you can carry in your pockets for survival. Can you survive with the stuff in your pockets? And this ends this episode. Remember, also Ohio is a big primary target of holes. Phase 6. Okay? A lot of people, I don't believe in Uncle Alan. Oh hell, I'm being chased by a dinosaur. Oh hell, I'm being chased by Indians. Oh hell, I've been getting chased by buffalo. Oh hell, I don't know what the hell that thing is, but I'm getting chased by it. Now who's laughing at old Uncle Al? But I have my Wonder Pew Pew or my Wonder Truck or my bug out. Oh hell, there's no bug out location. What stuff do I have in my pockets? Do I have a survival vest? No. What do I have? I have a smartphone. Okay? Let's see how long can you survive with that. And I'll catch you later. You have a nice day. I hope this helps you out. Bye, folks.